Hi, I am Carolyn. I am one of the owners at Pass Health Foods. We're an independent health food store in Palos Heights, Illinois. So today's video, I wanted to talk about cholesterol and natural supplements that can help with that. So as we know, high cholesterol is not a great thing, but has become very common, often due to just our American diet and lifestyle, things like that. So there are definitely supplements that can be beneficial. We are not against conventional medicine, and sometimes medications are needed. But if you can do something naturally, that's a great way to start, and often are without as many of those side effects that often come from medications. So high cholesterol, one of the most common supplements is red yeast rice. Red yeast rice is a supplement that actually works as a natural statin. So it works very well. But if you have taken if you've taken statins in the past and have had side effects from those, often muscle weakness is, or muscle pain is a common side effect of statin drugs. If you've had side effects like that, you might not want to use red yeast rice because red yeast rice is a natural statin. It works in the body the same way as statins do. So a product for red yeast rice we'd recommend is this one by Nature's Plus in particular. The reason being, we've had a number of customers who have used this form specifically, even after sometimes trying other brands of red yeast rice. And part of the reason is I think that this is an extended release formula. So it's not all at once in your body, but over a period of hours. Often with extended release or time release, sometimes it's called, your body absorbs it better because it's not all just at once, but rather it's over a period of time. Red yeast rice also is best taken at night in the evening because that's when the body produces the most cholesterol. So that's when it's been researched that it is most beneficial. So if you're taking red yeast rice or if you're taking prescription statin drugs, we would also recommend supplementing with coenzyme Q10. So CoQ10 is produced in our body, but as we age, that amount decreases. It's a supplement that's important for helping with heart health and just overall heart function. So how red yeast rice and statin drugs work is one of the things they do is they inhibit the process that they're reducing cholesterol, also inhibits the body's production of CoQ10. So it's especially important to supplement to replenish that CoQ10 if you're taking those drugs or red yeast rice. CoQ10 can even help with some of those side effects of statin drugs, or even if you've tried red yeast rice and had some of those similar side effects. Some scientists have even speculated that it's because it's reducing that CoQ10 that people are having that muscle pain and things like that, because CoQ10 works, if you remember your biology classes from junior high, it works in the mitochondria of the cell. That's the cell's big energy producer. So if you don't have enough CoQ10, your cells are having difficulty, especially helping with heart and muscle tissues. So by having enough of that CoQ10, cells are running right, cells are having enough energy, the heart is having enough energy to pump. So red yeast rice is not the only supplement. And in fact, with people who have had bad experiences with statin drugs, we would usually recommend something different that works in a different way than that, not red yeast rice. So one of the supplements that I feel like there is some of the best research on is called citronol. It's a branded extract made from orange peel extract, but there is very good research on it with lowering cholesterol, especially triglycerides. Research showing that over 12 weeks, usually studies, it's not going to be next week, unfortunately, that, your life is different from taking a supplement. But over a 12-week study that it was able to reduce cholesterol by about 30% and triglycerides by 34%. So definitely a supplement I'd recommend trying. This one by Now Foods is the one we especially recommend because in addition to citronol, it has another ingredient in it, polycosanol, which is from sugarcane extract, which also helps with lowering cholesterol. So those two ingredients work really well for helping to lower overall cholesterol. This is a 2-a-day formula to really get those amounts that are in the studies, because that's one of the troubles is sometimes with supplements, you have to be very careful about how much is actually recommended, where if you're just taking one a day, if a supplement, whatever it is, whether it's citronol for cholesterol or a multivitamin or something for prostate health, if it isn't meant as a one a day and you're only taking one pill, you're only getting a fraction of those amounts. And sometimes you're not going to see the full benefit. If you're not taking the recommended amounts that have been shown to work in different research studies and what have you, you probably aren't going to experience the full benefits, the full recommended amount. But citronol is a great supplement that has good research behind it, and it's nice because it does not work like a statin. So if you've had trouble with statin drugs or red yeast rice or things like that, it works differently, so it would be a safe supplement to try. With everything, we always recommend mentioning things to your doctor or pharmacist to talk about interactions or what have you. But it is a very common supplement that we have many people who have had good luck with. So if you're in the Palos Heights area, we would definitely recommend you stopping by the store for more personalized advice. With supplements, it's not always one size fits all. So we would be happy to go over things with you, help to find the right supplement for your needs. Also, be sure to check out our website at passhealthfoods.com. There is a wealth of ad-free information, including articles on supplements for cholesterol, different things, research studies about those products. So we'd recommend checking that out at passhealthfoods.com. And we hope to see you again in a future video or at our store. Our address is 7228 West College Drive in Palos Heights, Illinois. Thanks so much and have a great day.